In this video, we'll show you how to recover an SST4 or SST5 device when a firmware update has failed and the display shows bootloader or unusual characters. This situation typically occurs when the firmware update process is interrupted. We see this most often when using an iPhone, because iOS sends the update in small data segments. If the phone is moved away, the app is closed too early, or the connection is unstable, the update may stop before it is completed. When this happens, the detector enters bootloader mode. This simply means the device is waiting to receive the firmware again. To fix this, open the WatchGas app, go to Firmware Updates, and select the correct firmware for your SST4 or SST5 once more. Start the update again. In most cases, the device will immediately pick up the firmware package and continue the installation. Now wait until the progress bar reaches 100% and the app confirms that the update was successfully completed. This recovery procedure can also be performed using the SST dock. Simply place the unit in the dock, select the firmware in the app, and allow the update to complete in the same way. Once finished, the detector will reboot normally and return to standard operation. If the issue persists or the device does not respond, please contact WatchGas support for assistance.